Somerset County, Central and Turton County,
Another
and northwestern New
FFW,
Jersey
let's go.
until 7:45 p.m.
Yes,
At
sir.
4:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Let's go.
Between 0.5 and 1.5
FFW.
inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5
Yes, sir. Let's
inches in
go.
1 hour. Expected rainfall rate is zero rainfall amount of 1 to 2 inches
God
are possible
damn.
in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin
Oh,
shortly.
new SBR issue.
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas,
Oh my God.
highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include
Jesus, look at that rain.
Somerset, Edison, Bridgewater,
Insane.
Ninebrook, Mandel, High Bridge, Clinton, and Peacock, and Gladstone. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 13,
High Bridge.
Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 28.
Following highway.
Interstate 78 in New Jersey between
Goddamn.
mile markers 12 and 42. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 130 and 134. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeat, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey. Turton.
I don't know if it's going to be a double header. They should another SBR. Nope.
The thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for southern Turton, northwestern Mercer, and northwestern Bucks counties. At 4:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Revere, or 12 miles.
Oh my gosh.
Moving at 30 miles per hour.
Guys, let me show you this. It is absolutely pouring outside. Just look how much rain there is. That's crazy.